24 ġdieda, 23 minnhom mirbuħin. Dan hu r-riżultat sal-lum għall-boxer professjonali li bjammar Zinat ta' 31 sena li jismu bħalissa jiddomina fix-xena internazzjonali hekk kif jingħad li diġà jinsab fl-aqwa tal-karriera tiegħu. Karriera li wkorrat il-bidu tagħha propju f'pajjiżna, u għanjuż iltaqa' ma' Malik propju fl-ewwel ġim f'pajjiżna fejn beda jitħarreġ u tal-ewwel daqqiet ta' pont tiegħu. Bdejna nistaqsu kif u meta spiċċa f'pajjiżna.
So when I came to Malta, I was young age, like I was 19 years old. Because Malta was close to my country, Libya. So it was like 1 hour flight. So I take the visa. My father told me I have to go out because in Libya we don't have like boxing and stuff like that, like good sport and stuff. So Malta they have this, like they have. So I said let me start here in Malta.
U kompla jgħidilna minn kienu l-ewwel persuni li taqa' magħhom f'pajjiżna, inkluż l-ewwel trainer tiegħu, il-Malti Michael Brown.
I met one guy, his name Clayton Vella. He bring me to Brown gym. Brown was my first trainer here in Malta. I want to be something top, that's when the plan was. And then I was keep working, keep training with Brown. Brown looked after me when I was young. I stayed with him in his house many times.
Brown għalilna l-fatt li Mr. Malik kien boxer u li qabel ġew Malta kien joqgħod iħarġu fid-dar tagħhom stess senet ħafna.
Beda jitrenja u hekk. U Clayton Vella kellu problema f'spaltu ma setax jiġġieled. U daħħalt mal-ewwel il-Malik Zinat ġielet ma' Richard Vella kien għal titlu ta' Malta. U kien rebaħ Malik. Kien tajjeb, kien tajjeb. Daqqiet kbar, kien jidher hu li huwa ta' ponzjel li ħajasal u l-ola livell.
Tkellimna wkoll ma' Eddie Hernandez fost dawk li qed jieħdu ħsieb it-taħriġ ta' Malik fil-preżent flimkien ma' Freddie Roach li għandu esperjenza ta' taħriġ ma' diversi boxers ta' suċċess bħal Manny Pacquiao.
He's very good. Very good. He's lengthy, he's long.
You think he can be the world champion?
Of course. Yeah, anybody could be as good as him. You know, he's good, very dedicated. He's a good, humble guy, and he likes to work hard. So, and I like to working with him. So definitely.
Staqsejna lil Malik li huma dawk is-suċċessi li kiseb s'issa u li jibqgħu marka f'moħħu.
I mean, I take many titles like WBA, I take the IBOs, I take WBC Mediterranean, I take many titles, you know, achieve money in boxing. I fight the world champion Bivol in 3 weeks' notice, you know. So I take the fight because it's a good opportunity for me as a first professional fighter, even in my country, you know.
Ma stajniex ma nistaqsux lil Malik rigward il-futur tiegħu fejn jixtieq jasal fid-dixxiplina tal-boxing.
I mean, I'm now top 10 in the world, so my goal now, my plan to be a world champion, you know. That's what I have in my mind now. I got everything. Now I have to have a plan to be a world champion, so I have to do it. I have to show people I'm gonna do it. I'm capable to do it. So I'm working hard now for this time. And 100% I will make it a world champion. And there's a big news coming. So I'm not gonna say it now, but you will see it all. It's gonna be world champion magazine. Mark my word.
Daħannet Malik għalilna xi jfissru għalih Malta u l-poplu Malti fil-karriera brillanti li qed jagħmel.
Malta was like one of the big things in my career, in my life, to be honest. Malta always I appreciate the people here. Malta is like my hometown now, you know. I always love Malta. When I fight, like before my last fight was I fought in Australia. Like they came Maltese people to support me there, you know, and they have Malta flag with me all the time because I appreciate Malta is like the best for me.